Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. In this video, we will show you how to add a hyperlink in Excel. First of all, I will tell you what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is a link where you can show multiple files easily. For example, you have an Excel file, you are making some data, but in that data, you need to show some supporting things where if you can't add here, there will be no provision in this. So you can give a link where that link takes directly you to where the file is located in your computer. Let's see how it works. First of all, you have to press Ctrl K in keyboard like this. Insert hyperlink dialog box will open, and here I have mentioned smart crop GIF file. So it is here. I will select, I'll say OK. Here link is came. See, if I want to show the smart crop, then I will click on this link. It will open and your work will be done. I hope this simple and easy trick will solve your problems of making data in Excel. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.